The absolute only thing that's open is the Waffle House. Cars driving around. Every single store is closed. I guess if you couldn't get your employees to work in the morning because everything was covered in a sheet of ice, then, even by 5 o'clock when things are cleared up, it's too late to open. So they were closed for the day. Really something else. Absolutely every single thing closed. So there'd be no door dashing tonight, or even if someone wanted to work, because all the restaurants are closed. Absolutely everything's closed. There's cars driving around looking for stuff, but everything's closed. People might be looking to get some supplies. There's nothing open. Walmart was closed. Aldi's was closed. Dollar General was closed. Every single store here you see is closed. Taco Way is open. God bless them. Taco's Way is open. Wow, they're going to get all the business. Taco's Way is the only thing that's open. This gas station, Southern Traders, might be open. They might have a restaurant there as well, or at least some kind of food. AutoZone is closed. So if you want to get food, there's only 2 places open, Waffle House and Taco's Way. Boldly Going is closed. Looks like this gas station's open. And they may have like a little food place associated with it. Like if you were desperate for something. Roads are looking better. They're not 100%, so whatever snow is on the road could potentially melt and then turn to a sheet of ice. So there might be spots. But for the most part, it's looking good, except for that one pickup truck that went off the road. And you remember when we went for our winter walk this morning, there was one pickup truck driving like an idiot. Well, there's a pickup truck that here passed on the way out. Now I'm going to see it again on the way back. That was driving like an idiot, and he ended up going over a curb. So there's a police car there, and I guess now finally a tow truck. Yep, overconfident. Could have done just fine with the pickup truck, but not if you're driving as fast as we saw one driving this morning. It looked like the same one. They're both dark colored pickup trucks. Roads are practically all black. A little bit of snow in the center could melt and then begin to refreeze tonight, be a sheet of ice. These are looking nice and clear. So, no point in coming out of the house. Everything's closed. shiny. So that could be slick tomorrow. It's a lot more here because it was shady, so this didn't really melt. Yeah, that doesn't feel great. That's going to be a problem area tomorrow. Section of road needs work. Even if someone just got out here with a shovel. And it's right by our development. And once you get here, it's all blacktop. Everything looks so pretty. They're new white lawns. Oh, this is looking nice and clear. The Civic was covered in snow. That's just about cleared off. As we have.